Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a slightly different video. This is a collaboration video with our host, Organized with Joy. Today is a Thoughtful Thursday video. So stay tuned to see what I think about self-care. As I was doing my makeup, I really didn't know what type of video I was going to make or what topic I was going to talk about with our Thoughtful Thursday collab. And then it hit me as I was doing my makeup, I realized self-care is not selfish, and I wanted to elaborate on that a little bit more. A lot of you guys might not know that I am a mom of two, and one of my kids is a special child. And having a special child has been a rewarding, challenging, and eye-opening experience, to say the least. Being a mom in general takes a lot of time and energy, and a lot of times we put ourselves last in the long, busy to-do list that we have. And in the moment when you feel like you wish you had time for yourself, when you wish that you could prioritize yourself, you start feeling guilt, whether internally or from external factors. A lot of times I get asked, how do you even have time for YouTube? Or, you look so put together. That must take a lot of time and energy. I'm sometimes misunderstood that I'm all about beauty and makeup and that my kids aren't being fed, aren't getting taken care of. But the truth is, no one really knows what goes on behind the scenes. I simply live by the words that self-care is not selfish. Honestly, it took a while for me to accept that statement because a lot of times it was almost unrealistic to really find time for myself or even put myself first in certain situations. What I realize is that when I show up for myself, when I wake up early to work out, when I make healthy meals and not just eat my kids' leftovers, I'm a better person, I'm a better able mom to them. And it's not easy, just like how I'm contouring this nose to be extra sharp. It's really about altering the way you think. It's about changing your old habits, rearranging your schedule, and adjusting your mindset that it's okay to do you and that it's okay to make yourself a priority. You have to dust away all the negative energy, all the guilt that you're feeling, and people's opinions about how to be a good mom. Because in the end, you are the best mom. You're the only one who knows how to take care of your children the best. To sort of give you an example and put this into practice, I wake up at 5 in the morning to get my coffee or tea ready, to drink a cup of water with ginger and turmeric. I get up so I can put on my makeup even before my kids wake up to go to school. And for others, it could mean waking up early to go to the gym, doing your YouTube, saying hi to your friends, keeping in touch with everyone else around you, because frankly, having a special child can be lonely at times, and we need to reconnect. We need to reconnect with ourselves and with relatives and friends that are there for us, that could be there for us when we need them. I saw this funny quote that behind every mom is a basket of dirty laundry. And this got me thinking that the laundry is unending, that it's always going to be full no matter how many times you empty it. Laundry can wait, and someone needs to fill up your basket as a mom. So go do what your body needs, what your soul needs. Pamper yourself, go do some self-care, go treat yourself a little. Buy what you need sometimes and not just what your kids and your children and your family needs. This is sort of funny, but in a way, I tend to do more laundry, more chores at home when I had a good workout at 7 in the morning rather than doing nothing at all for myself and then attempt to do all the chores for the day. And guys, I also work part-time while my kids are at school. And the decision to work was really more for my social and emotional well-being. It really helps when we're out there interacting, sharing minds and opinions with others, because it takes us away from our daily routines, our daily grind, and it helps. It helps us to reset, rebalance our lives. Maintaining that balance is the key, and unfortunately, it's not an easy task. It takes a little bit of self-love and self-reflection to achieve it. We also need to understand that we can't really give what we don't have. When we're running on empty, we can't really give our best selves to those who are depending on us. I don't know about you, but I'm usually more tired, less patient to everyone and anyone around me. I saw this funny definition of a mother on Amazon, which is someone who does the work of 20 people for free. And while that's very true in so many cases, we have to recognize that it's okay to not do the work of 20. It's also okay to ask for help. It's also okay to say, not today, or maybe next time. Sometimes I still cringe when I tell my kids, go make your own snack because I'm doing my makeup right now, or maybe I want to finish a show that I've been wanting to watch for months. It takes a lot of getting used to put yourself first sometimes. And until now, it's an ongoing practice to choose to take care of myself. It is only natural to feel this way because we love our children, we love our families. And plus, it is in our nature as women to be always nurturing, caring, and loving unconditionally. So next time, when you feel like you're bombarded with the many demands of life, remember to pucker up and say self-care is not selfish. It is absolutely okay, guys, to exercise some self-love. And I'm not saying to overdo it, but when you show that you value yourself, I can almost guarantee that your family will learn to appreciate you even more. Remember, it's okay to do the work of 10 instead of 20. And it's also okay to just do the work of 1. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial / thoughtful Thursday. I really had fun doing this video. Please check out our collaboration playlist in the description box below, and also give Joy some love. Again, thank you for inviting me in this collaboration.